Hello dear, so today let's learn about Doodle, Zentagle and Mandala. Okay, so these are three different types of art and we will learn about how they are related to each other and how they differ from each other. Okay, so we will start with Doodle actually because Doodle is the simplest form out of these three, and in this Doodle we have to the word doodle means doodling means the to draw a picture or a pattern repeatedly, like repetitively we are doing drawing something is called doodling. Okay, so when we are doodling something we can take random pictures, I mean random topics we can take, and this is can also be like different topics in one picture and also a single theme in one picture, like that also you can choose for doodling. So here what we have to do while doodling is, what we gain while doodling is we will get a focus and we will feel relaxed, and also of course by doing repeatedly something your flexibility of your hand will also increase, just like how we do practice sessions. Okay, so doodle is developed from random starting topic. You can just take any topic and make a lot of drawing out of it, or like a single theme. Like example, you can take like a coffee doodle and you can draw everything that comes to your mind when you think about coffee, and that can be a coffee doodle. And not any particular rule or something, just you have to keep it so packed without much space. Okay, so that is all about the doodle. Now let's have a look into few examples. See dears, you can see a lot of pictures clubbed together, and here you can see a lot of monster doodle. Okay, and here it is a cat doodle, so it's repeatedly no space in between and one topic is drawn. And here it is a house doodling because a lot of house you can see, and it's a robot doodle, a lot of robots you can see. So now you understood, like a same picture repeatedly drawn without any gap. Okay, not the same drawing, like any same topic, that is the doodle. Now we will look into centangles. The Zentagle is an art like a structured pattern called tangles. Okay, so you can create these tangles using some lines or dots or curves, and these all are called elemental strokes. Okay, so these elemental strokes combine to make a Zentagle picture. So basically in doodle we can do whatever we want, but in Zentangle we will be doing patterns mainly, not everything, but it will be like a structured pattern. That means first you can draw a leaf and then you can fill that leaf with a lot of elemental strokes, then you will get a Zentangle pattern. Okay, like that, that is called a Zentangle pattern. And in this Centangle also, it is a repetition, and it's like a combination of meditation and art together. So it's also the same result, just like doodling. Like you will be more focused and you will feel relaxed, and also creativity will be increased. Like this, when we are doing a repetition of any pattern, it's a meditative, and so definitely it is going to help with the with our creativity. So actually this is an American method. The Centangle is an American method, and we usually do it on white paper. White background is needed, and we will be drawing using black pen. So white and black combination, and the shadings can be done using some gray color pencil. Okay, so this is the way it is done, and it was invented by a monk actually. His name is Rick Roberts, and with the help of an artist called Maria, and they both together, like a monk and artist together, made. That's why it's a combination of meditation and art together. Okay, so you can practice a lot of Zentangle. Also, we will look into certain examples of Zentangle. Here you can see in the shape of a lion some Zentagle patterns are drawn, and next one is a squirrel and the patterns are drawn inside that structure, and an elephant, then a parrot. Okay, so everything you can see like a it's already a structured pattern, and inside it we have done all that elemental strokes like all the lines, curves, and all a lot of patterns we have made by sectioning them into different portions, and then we filled with a lot of patterns. That's called a Zentagle. Next we will focus to the mandala. Mandala is an Indian originated art, and its meaning of or mandala is a Sanskrit word meaning circles. Okay, and mandala art is a complex abstract design kind of art which is in circular forms. Okay, and the components of mandala are actually it should be symmetrical, it should be geometrical, the color, the number, and also finally the intention. Okay, so these five components together make a mandala art, and it's also a healing art for both kids and adults as well, and it can boost immune system and reduce stress and pain, and our bp will be reduced, and can ease our depression. Like a lot of benefits are there if you practice mandalas. Okay, so it's actually like a meditative or medicative art, so I would prefer you to practice it. Definitely it's going to help with us with our creativity as well. So, how to draw mandala is quite simple. You can just intend to draw how many circles you can draw, and each circle we will be filling with a lot of patterns. You can choose any pattern, and each patterns, when you make it repeatedly, if you're focusing on making it perfect, and definitely it's going to help you with your creativity as well. And there is another variation of mandala art that is called dot mandala. Dot mandala means instead of drawing the lines and elements and curves and all, we will be putting dots in the form of designs. Okay, so let's have a look into this examples, then you will get an idea, and we will be practicing all this as well. Okay. So these are the some of the beautiful mandalas. That's a lot of example, and each when each pattern differs, the entire design is going to differ. So just like this, usually the mandala will come in circular form, and the same patterns in any circular form will suit it. And these are the examples for dot mandalas. You can see colorful dots have been placed and made it beautiful, and this is in especially in the form of circle again. So this is the dot mandalas. So I hope you all got an idea about the three types and all. If you got any doubt, you can always WhatsApp me, and we will be practicing the same.